Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to show you my September bullet journal. I've changed my contest a little bit and this is because I have a new bullet journal and I decided that I will make it a little bit different than I did before. That is why, as you can see, my first page is almost done. But I left this small picture on the wall, and I'm going to make the same picture as I made for September last year. Also this time I'm not going to use my gouache paints because I'm using here my watercolor pencils and fineliners. My idea is that first I'm making contours with fineliners and then I'm coloring these pictures. And this time it's going to be some shelves with books and with plants. I really like this face, and it was a lot of fun for me when I was painting it a year ago. And we are on the second page. Here we are going to have the view of the whole mouth. And I already draw the shelves with plants, with some books. And I'm going to have here also some chest with drawers. And this is going to be a place for the birthdays. Okay, I think I'm very pleased with this page, and I really like it. So let's go to another. Here I'm going to have my weekly spread and some place for a book which I'm reading right now and a song which I'm listening in September. I really love this technique, and I think I will use it again, because for me this fine liner and these watercolor pencils gives me effect that my paintings looks like small stickers. Let's give some titles to the books. And habits, one of my favorite page in bullet journal. Every time I try to make it really interesting. So this time I'm going to have this armchair with a small coffee table and with some plants. I love blending the plant's leaves. It looks really incredible for me. Some of my watercolor pearl paint looks good. And the page is ready. How do you like it? Another page, it's very similar to the previous ones. I'm going to have here some bookshelf, and actually that's it. And the last page, this time I'm going to add to my bullet journal a gratitude journal. And this is because I want to change something in my life, and I want to be grateful for all the things which I have, and for the people I have around me, and for everything which happens every day. So I decided to add the gratitude journal, and as you can see, I draw small squares, and of course there's going to be a bookshelf as well. And my bullet journal for September is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my new content and my bullet journal for September. Happy birthday to all the people born in September, and have a nice time. Bye.